patchy fog early in the morning. Lows around 60. Northeast winds 5 to 15 miles an hour. Chance of precipitation 60%. Wednesday, much cooler. The National Weather Service in Chicago has issued a special marine warning for Lake Michigan near shore and open waters to mid-lake from Sheboygan, Wisconsin to Port Washington, Wisconsin, until 6:30 p.m. At 5:08 p.m., multiple strong thunderstorms were located east and southeast of Sheboygan, or 12 nautical miles northeast of Port Washington, moving east at 35 knots. In addition, there was a strong wind shift to northerly moving quickly south over the waters. Hazard, wind gusts to nearly 50 knots and large hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, small craft could be damaged and briefly higher winds and suddenly higher waves. Large hail could result in structural damage. The severe thunderstorm will remain over mainly open waters. Move to safe harbor immediately as gusty winds and high waves are expected.